Hey everybody, Brandon here from Tribeca Color Salons, and we're here with Melissa Dolce, and she is one of our designers for this year's Cocktails and Couture 2022. So we're here at her studio, and we just want to take a look around and talk to Melissa. Melissa, wave to everybody. There we go. All right. So Melissa, you're a veteran also of Cocktails and Couture. You've been with us a few times in the past.
Yeah, it's been probably 5 or 6 years, I think. I kind of took a little
Yeah,
break there. But this year I'm so excited because timing worked out perfectly. So I'm ready to get back into it.
very good. What did you think of the theme when we announced it?
I loved it. I took me a while to kind of think of exactly what I wanted to do.
Okay.
Um, Basically, for me, I need to have a story with no matter what I'm doing. There has to be a story involved. So I kind of collaborated with the hair and makeup team, which they're fantastic, and we came up with a wonderful theme. Basically, we're doing kind of the good versus evil. Um, and I think it kind of fits well just because in everyday life, we pretty much have kind of that good versus evil decisions we make. Um, so that's pretty much
Cool.
the story.
That's cool. I like that. So how are you going to express that though?
The models will be telling a story.
Oh, so almost like a vignette. Like there's actually something
Oh
action
yeah,
going on.
there is like a story that will be told. So
Cool. That's great.
um, it'll be fun. It's not what I'm doing is not just a normal fashion show. There's some surprises along the way, but there is a story that you will follow. And actually, one thing that I'm adding too is the guests will be able to somewhat participate,
Cool. That
and
sounds mysterious.
it is a little mysterious, and they'll contribute to one of the outfits on the runway. So
Wow. Okay. That's
yeah, so
cool.
it'll
I'd
it'll
like to
be
see that
fun.
happen. That's
Something
great.
something different.
Very good. So do you have any sketches or anything like that?
My sketches are on the computer. I actually am horrible at it. Like my original sketches, I almost do like a collage with what I want. Like so, like let's say one of the outfits I wanted to look like let's say clouds. So I basically will kind of collage clouds. Like, okay, this isn't gonna what it's gonna be. But if I want a cloud dress, so I take physical clouds and I put it on a model, a person.
Very good.
That's step one, and then my step two is okay, maybe a little sketching of what could this actually look like, and then step three is more of me after I've gone in and worked with materials and stuff. It's more of what it actually looks like. So I've always called it like my angel dress. It's basically made with tons of light material and then feathers. It's still in progress. Um, but again, everything I do, this is actually really going out of my comfort zone. Most of at least what I started with, is more of the wearable art, unconventional materials. So my specialty definitely is unconventional materials, basically wearable art, artistic. I basically see every outfit I do as an art piece. Um, not it, Definitely not everyday wear. It's not something you're going to buy at the store. Um, so that's kind of where I got started, and definitely what I enjoy doing. It's fun, and if I'm not laughing, typically when I'm doing this stuff, then I think I'm a little off, so I rework things. And then I've kind of pushed myself and kind of tried to do stuff that I don't know how to do. Um, and that's where I try to get into more of the avant-garde gowns. So I'm really looking forward to the show and presenting my collection. It's going to be very different from what you've seen before, where I've got about 12 models who will be giving you a whole show, not just a fashion show, but it'll be a show. Um, and the guests, you will get to participate. I'm not going to say exactly how, But it's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait.
Everybody, so we're going to see you on Sunday, February 20th at the Ritz in Ybor for Cocktails of Couture 2022 Celestial Liberation. We'll see you there.